This is a Singer model 1591 that's up for auction on eBay. The machine is in nice shape. I've had it about 2 years. I purchased it in order to sew patches onto a leather vest. But as time has gone on, I've upgraded to a much more heavy-duty unit. I don't believe all that stuff about being able to sew automobile interiors with this machine. It can't handle that. You need a Singer 111W or its equivalent, which is a walking foot. This particular model, and I'll move this out of the way, the bobbin case is mounted down below here. There you can see it's a vertical mount, I think, not horizontal. I've cleaned this machine, I've adjusted it, I've oiled it. There's a hole here, here, there's one here, there are some points in here. I've taken it off, I've oiled it down in here, and also underneath the carriage here. All these things have been done. This is the light cord. The cord for it. This is how I received it, with the tape on over here, but it works fine. There's no problems with it. And that one right there is the foot pedal. It's a great machine. The stitching is beautiful on it, as you can see. I'm going to leave this with the machine, and it's going to be threaded upon delivery with this yellow string. Thread. I'll cut this off, or maybe I'll just leave that in, we'll see. But it's a beautiful machine. The winder works, everything works. They don't build them like this anymore. I have a Kenmore upstairs that does zigzag that my mom purchased brand new in the 80s, and it's all plastic. This machine, for the most part, does not know what plastic means. It does have a potted motor here in the back. There's no belts. Some people have had some stories about that, but this machine is from 1951, I believe. As the serial number is AK635669. Good luck and good